how to sell Bitcoin on Binance. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can sell Bitcoin on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to sell Bitcoin on Binance, first of all open up the Binance app and just make sure that you're signed into your account. And if you happen to have any sort of Bitcoin and you own them, you can simply tap on the little option that you can find here. And now if you want to sell or buy, depending on what you want to do, so you can say sell your crypto to USD. You can convert your cryptocurrency into a fiat currency by simply selecting whichever currency you have. So assuming that you have Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. In my case I have got FDUSD, so I'm selecting that. Depending upon the amount that you want to sell for, and then you can tap on the sell option. Someone will accept the offer and your transaction will be made successfully. This way you will be able to sell Bitcoin on Binance. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.